Hi, how are you? Welcome to our next lesson here, and it's on the topic of food. I'll give you examples from part 1, part 2 and part 3. You can look at our keywords. I'll give you example sentences and closed passages which give you the opportunity to put your own information in and answer your own questions. Okay, good luck. Let's get started. So here's our example part 1 questions. What kind of food do you like? Do you like to cook? What are typical foods in your country, and is food expensive in your country? So we have some describing questions, giving the information questions, giving your opinion questions, and some comparisons as well. Some good opportunities there to do some comparisons, especially is food expensive in your country? All right, let's get started. So our first question here, what kind of food do you like? So the first thing we do is we have to change the word like, okay? And in this case we'll use the word I enjoy. And in this case here I'm saying I enjoy hot food. Okay, so there's hot food, sweet food, salty food. In this case I'm using hot food, and I'm giving examples of hot food, and I'm saying spicy fried chicken and Sichuan hot pot or huoguo. And then the type of food that I like, I give examples of the ingredients that are in these dishes. And in Chansai we have lots of lajiao, lots of chili and huajiao, peppercorns. You use peppercorns, majiao, huajiao, you can just say peppercorns. And then why you like this dish, and in this case I'm using a word because it's good for your metabolism. Okay, let's look at this first example sentence and put it together. I enjoy eating hot food, such as spicy fried chicken and Sichuan hot pot. I love anything cooked with chili or peppercorns. It's good for your metabolism. Here's our second example of what kind of food do you like. Once again, say the food type that you like, and a dish or some examples of this food type. In our previous answer, you liked spicy food. And in this example, we're going to talk about sweet food. So we go to our keywords here, sweet foods, 甜食. And the examples of sweet food, such as chocolate, ice cream, cakes, right? And then we need to make a sentence and say, well, what kinds of ingredients do these types of food share? And that is that lots of sugar, all right? So there's always like sugar in sweet food. And then I'm saying, well, why do you like this type of food? And I've got this kind of English saying, and it's called I've got a real sweet tooth. Okay, 爱吃那个甜食. All right, let's put that all together. I must admit, I like sweet foods. I love chocolate, ice cream and cakes. I can't seem to get enough of anything made with sugar. I've got a real sweet tooth. So here's our first example of do you like to cook? And in this case, yes, I like to cook. And in this case, I'm saying, well, sure, I love to cook. And then I'm going to give some examples of some dishes that you can cook. There's no need to actually use like the complete Chinese names of the dishes. If you can just basically say